mga kapuso, ako po si Karina Alcantara.
Hello po mga kapuso, this is Michael Sagran.
Hello, ako po si Connie Reyes.
Hello everyone, ako po si Aubrey Miles.
I play the role of Joanna de la Costa.
I'll be playing the role as Yuan de la Costa in Shining Inheritance.
I play the role of Aurea de la Costa sa Shining Inheritance.
I play Sonia de la Cuesta.
Masama ugali, okay, joke lang. Real, matapang, at hindi talaga siya nagpapaapak. Well, kasi si Joanna, and ako rin naman po, sinasabi ko lahat ng iniisip ko. I'm very real. Kung sino ko off-cam, yun din yung pinapakita ko on-cam. Matapang po ako na tao. I guess it's because of everything that I've experienced in life, and matapang ako because I have God inside my heart. So I know that I can face any challenge na ibibigay niya sa akin. Di nagpapaapak, lumalaban. Alam niyo na yan.
Siguro 3 similarities that my character and I have. 1, may pagkasuplado, lalo na paggutom ako sa totoong buhay. Tapos yung character ko naman talagang suplado siya. So siguro yun na-inherit ko somehow. Yung second is loving siya sa lola niya, which I can relate to. Mahal na mahal ko ang lola ko. Ang tawag sa kanya, Lols. Shoutout sa'yo, Lols. I hope you're doing well. Tapos yung third naman, ano siya, dedicated. If he wants something, he'll get it. Si Yuan, he wants his shares, he wants the inheritance. He's gonna do everything to fight for his right. Ako naman, I want to reach my goal and my dreams, kaya I will do whatever it takes. Yun po.
Ang masasabi ko na similarity ko kay Aurea de la Costa is her being a loving, caring lola, loving, caring mom, hardworking. She also knew, she's very caring, she's very loving, but she also knew when to discipline the people around her, especially her grandchildren, whom she loves dearly. In a way, I'm like that also. I kind of spoil my grandchildren. That's what my son says. Mapagbigay siya. She's a very generous woman. I'd like to think na mapagbigay din ako. Para sa kanya, ang tama-tama, ang mali-mali. Si Connie, ganun din. Ang tama-tama, ang mali-mali. Ayoko ng gray areas. Black is black, white is white. Kailangan klaro sa akin.
3 inherited traits ni Sonia na meron ako sa totoong buhay. She's very, polished. Polished ba ako sa totoong buhay? Medyo, I think so. Very organized, saka very loving mom. Sobra.